Hello everyone, today let's see what's the problem with this Epson EB-X31 projector. Actually, as you can see, the lamp is glowing, that is the lamp indicator light is glowing. This means that when the lamp door is not fixed properly, this light should glow, but now it is glowing, the door is also firm. So let's see what's the problem, and also we will see how to replace the lamp. I will switch it off, remove the plug, AC means disconnect the cable. Now take a plus point screwdriver, remove the screw here, as you can see, this one, remove the screw. Okay, now slide it, take the screwdriver, remove this, hold it in this way, pull it gently, and I would like to advise that never attempt to replace the lamp or disassemble the projector when the projector is hot, and never disassemble it as soon as turning it off from usage. See that the projector is completely cool, and then you attempt for replacing the lamp. This is the lamp connector. It should fit here firmly. Take your new lamp, just place it in this way, press it, okay, gently here, this place. Now fasten the screws, if the lamp does not glow even after replacing the lamp, if the projector does not work even after replacing the lamp, what you need to do is you need to check the switch. Here you see, here is a switch that is operated when you open and close the door. Here you see, this is the notch that switches on and off the micro switch located here. It is situated here. Even after replacing the lamp, if the projector is not working, there is no light from the lamp, then, and if the lamp indicator light is glowing, then you need to check with this, the switch here inside. If you can't do it, you just show it to a professional who can do it for you. Now let's switch it on. As we can see, the lamp is on and the light is not glowing. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the lamp indicator light blinking or stable, or the projector not working. There is no light from the projector problem of your Epson EB series projector. If this video was going to be helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.